Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information in QuickBooks Company file. Now, if you would like to import any type of list or transactions that are supported by QuickBooks Pro, Premier, or the Enterprise solutions, click Start. On the next screen, we need to click on Browse to select the Excel sheet or the file that you would like to import and click Open. Now in this example today, I'm going to pick credit memo for the customers to be imported. Similarly, on the right hand side for the QuickBooks transactions, I'm going to choose credit memo as well and click Next. Click OK to the message. The file preview screen shows the information here, and we go next. Now on this screen, we can either click the drop down to match or map the field columns manually one by one, or we can click on field match to have that information automatically selected and populated as well. Now if you would like to save this mapping, you can click on Save As. Also, if you have an existing saved mapping, you can click on Load Map to use that in future as well, and click Next. The file updates screen. If you would like to make any changes before the import, you can still do that, or click Next to proceed further. Now the missing references screen shows there are no missing references, which means there is no new customer or there is nothing for the items which is new in your Excel sheet. So we can click on Import File and click OK to the message. And the credit memo for the customers has now been imported. Thank you.